rough videos.
Hi, my ILS students. Take a deep breath in. Inhale up. Then exhale down. Inhale up. And exhale down. We are working with our mat, and we're using our calculator. So please get out your calculator. And Miss Kelly brought you guys a drawer full of change. It was fake change, but you can either get real change or you can get that fake change. And I would also like if you could get one of your sheet protectors with something blank so you can write on it with your dry erase marker. So what we're going to do today with our calculator is we're going to count and add things this time. So what you can do is you can first start out with sorting. And depending on where you are with the sorting, you can start out by either putting the very first one in the corner so that they know where each one goes, or if this is not something you need to be focused on, pick something else out that you can be doing with your calculator and your coins. So I put a penny in one quarter, one square, a nickel in another square, a dime, and a quarter. So put all your dimes over here, your nickels over here, and get them all nice and sorted. And depending on where you are, work at your level. So it can be just as simple as, put the dime with the other dimes, match. So you're matching the dimes. So if that's where you are, just match the dimes. But I do want to eventually get into where we're using this with the calculator. So after you get enough sorted, I think I have quite a few already. So I'm going to put these away for now. Now, what you can do is you can see how many of each one you have. So I'm going to count my dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And see the way I put them? Because a lot of times we're doing our dot to dot with counting by 2, so you could even go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Either way, you can write your number 10 right here. And then how many quarters? 1, 2. How many nickels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many pennies? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 2, 4, 6. Now I want to know how many coins in all. Well, you can count them all the way they were, or you can get your calculator, push the on button, and you start out with 10 dimes, 1, 0, plus, how many quarters? 2, 2, plus, how many pennies? 6, 6, plus, how many nickels? 5, 5, and then you go equals. So you have a total of 23 coins. 23 coins. That's one way you can use it. And you can do this with anything. You can count your shoes. You can see how many tennis shoes you have, how many boots you have, how many sandals. You can count your bowls, your plates, your cups. You can count your forks, your spoons, your knives. It's just getting used to adding things and calculating and taking advantage of having use of a calculator. Now, when it comes to the money, this also gives you another opportunity to use the calculator. Let's do it a different way. Depending on where you are, you could even do multiplication with the calculator because you have 10 dimes and each dime is worth how much? 10 cents. So you could do, clear the button, 10 times 10 equals 100. So now you have 100 cents which equals $1. So you can play with this calculator doing it that way. Each quarter is worth 25 cents. So if you want to go back to just using addition, you can do 25 plus, remember you cleared it, 25 equals 50. 50 cents. You can do the same thing with your nickels and your pennies. It's just a great way to practice using your calculator, especially if you're using money, because that's where our goal is, be using that calculator when we go into a store to know how much we have to spend and how much that each item costs, so that you're making sure you have enough money before you go to buy something. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.
Rough videos.